All of you very good morning students. Human respiratory system. Next topic continue to the larynx. And the previous class nose, nasal chamber and pharynx. Next one the pharynx opens into the larynx. Pharynx opens into the larynx. So they are the pharynx opens into the larynx. The larynx is a cartilaginous box. The larynx is a cartilaginous box. Cartilaginous box means this larynx is formed by the cartilages, cartilage bones. The larynx is formed by the cartilaginous box. Next one, it was produce the sound. The larynx is the producer of the sound. So the larynx is called the voice box. The larynx is called the voice box because of the larynx the produce the sound, production of the sound. So the larynx is also called voice box. Larynx is also called as voice box. Next one, it support to the 9 cartilages. The larynx is supported by the 9 cartilages. 9 cartilages. The 9 cartilages are the 2 types. One type is the hyaline cartilage. One type of the hyaline cartilage. One type of the elastic cartilage. Hyaline cartilage and elastic cartilage. Hyaline cartilage bones are the 4 in number. Hyaline cartilage is the number is the 4. The elastic cartilage bones are numbering in the 5. Hyaline cartilage are the 4. Elastic cartilage are the 5. The hyaline cartilage, one is the thyroid cartilage, another one is the cricoid cartilage, third one arytenoid cartilage. First one thyroid cartilage, second one cricoid cartilage, third one arytenoid cartilage. Thyroid cartilage number only 1. Next one arytenoid cartilage 1. Next one cricoid cartilage 1, arytenoid cartilage 2. Totally 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. Total is the 4 in number. The hyaline cartilages are the 4. One is the thyroid cartilage 1. Next one cricoid cartilage 1. Next one arytenoid cartilage 2. Total 4 in number. Next one elastic cartilages. The elastic cartilages are the 5. One is the epiglottis. Epiglottis 1. Next one corniculate. Corniculate 2 in number. Next one cuneiform cartilage. Last one cuneiform cartilage. They are the 2 in number. Totally 5 plus 4 9. 9 cartilages are supporting to the larynx. 9 cartilages are supporting to the larynx. The larynx is also called as voice box because of the production of the sound. Next one the hyaline cartilage. Hyaline cartilage is the largest cartilage. Hyaline cartilage is the largest cartilage of the 9 cartilages. The hyaline cartilage is the largest cartilage of these 9 cartilages. These hyaline cartilage, the formation of the adenoid. The formation of the adenoid. So these are the adenoid. So these adenoid is the males are the larger in size. The human beings, the males are the larger in size. Females are the small in size. The man, the humans, the males are the larger in size. These are the adenoid. They are the larger in size. The females are the small in size. So they are formed by the hyaline cartilage. Hyaline cartilage. Next one epiglottis. 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 So the epiglottis is a thin flat like, they are the thin flat like structure. Thin flat like structure. Thin flat like structure. So this functioning is the prevention of food materials. Prevention of food materials into larynx or trachea. They are prevention of food materials into the trachea. Do not enter from the food materials into the trachea. So these are the epiglottis. Epiglottis. Next one the larynx contain a vocal cords. The larynx contain a vocal cords. The folded membranes of the mucous membrane, the folds of the mucous membrane, the folds of the mucous membranes of the fibers. So they are formation of the vocal cords, formation of the vocal cords. That vocal cords are the two types. The human being have the two types of the vocal cords. One is the false vocal cords. Second one is the true vocal cords. False vocal cords and true vocal cords. False vocal cords do not produce sound. Do not produce the sound. Only true vocal cords produce sound. Produce sound. The false vocal cords do not produce the sound. Only true vocal cords produce the sound. Next one, the male voice. The male voice are the low pitch voice. The males are the low pitch voice. The females are the high pitch voice. Comparing to the male and females, the males are the low pitch voice. The females are the high pitch voice. Because of, so they are the males, the vocal cords are the larger and thick and larger. The male vocal cords are the thick and larger. So these are produce the low pitch voice comparing to the females. The females voice is the low pitch voice. The male voice are the high pitch voice. Because of the vocal cords are the male vocal cords are the thick and larger in size. Thick and larger in size. So the voice produce the low pitch voice. The females are produce the high pitched voice. So these are the larynx. Larynx is the voice box because of the production of the sound. It was formed by the 9 cartilages. 9 cartilages. Hyaline cartilages and elastic cartilage. Hyaline cartilages are 4 in number. Elastic cartilages are the 5 in number. The larynx contain a vocal cords. There are two types: true vocal cords, false vocal cords. The false vocal cords do not produce the sound. True vocal cords, they produce the sound. So these are the larynx. Next one, trachea. Next one, trachea. Next one, trachea. Next one, trachea. So trachea. The trachea is a straight muscular tube. 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 The wall of the trachea contain skeletal muscles. Contain skeletal muscles and mucous membrane. So the wall of the trachea contain a skeletal muscles and mucous membrane. Skeletal muscles and mucous membrane. The length of the trachea 12 to 14 centimeters. The length of the trachea is 12 to 14 centimeters. Next one, the trachea is supported by the C-shaped, is the protection by the C-shaped cartilage. Cartilage rings. The trachea is surrounded by the C-shaped cartilage rings. Cartilage rings. C-shaped cartilage rings. These cartilage rings functioning is the protection of trachea. Protection of trachea. Next one, the trachea, inner side of the trachea contain a pseudo-sarcopod. pseudo stratified ciliated epithelium. Inner side of the trachea contain a pseudo stratified ciliated epithelium is presenting on the trachea. Next one, the trachea opens into the bronchi. The trachea opens into the bronchi. So these are the trachea. The trachea is a straight muscular tube. Trachea is a straight muscular tube. The wall of the trachea contains skeletal muscles and mucous membrane. Skeletal muscles and mucous membrane. Next one, the length of the trachea 12 to 14 centimeters. 12 to 14 centimeters. The trachea is formed by the C-shaped rings. The trachea is formed by the C-shaped cartilaginous rings. Cartilaginous rings. These cartilaginous rings are the protection of the trachea. Next one, the inner side of the trachea is covered by the pseudo-stratified ciliated epithelium. So these are the trachea. Next one, bronchi. Next one, bronchi and bronchioles. Next one, bronchi and bronchioles. Bronchi and bronchioles. Bronchi and bronchioles. The trachea opens into bronchi. The level of the fifth thoracic vertebrae. Level of fifth thoracic vertebrae, the bronchi divided into primary bronchi. The level of the fifth thoracic vertebrae, the level of the fifth thoracic vertebrae region, the bronchi divided into two bronchi. One is the primary bronchi. The primary bronchi. The primary bronchi. Primary bronchi opens into lungs. The primary bronchi opens into the lungs. Next one, the primary bronchi. Primary bronchi divided into secondary bronchi. Primary bronchi divided into secondary bronchi. The secondary bronchi divided into tertiary bronchi. Primary bronchi divided into secondary bronchi divided into tertiary bronchi. Once revised, the trachea opens into the bronchia. In the bronchia level of the fifth thoracic vertebral region, the bronchi is divided into two bronchi, primary bronchi. These primary bronchi enter from the lungs. In the lungs, the primary bronchi divided into secondary bronchi. The secondary bronchi divided into tertiary bronchi. Tertiary bronchi. The tertiary bronchi divided into primary bronchiole, primary bronchioles, secondary bronchiole, tertiary bronchiole, secondary bronchiole, tertiary bronchiole, terminal bronchiole. Next one, the terminal bronchiole divided into respiratory bronchiole, divided into respiratory bronchioles. The tertiary bronchi divided into primary bronchioles, primary bronchiole divided into secondary bronchioles, secondary bronchiole divided into tertiary bronchiole. The tertiary bronchiole divided into terminal bronchioles. The terminal bronchioles is divided into respiratory bronchioles. The respiratory bronchioles is divided into olfactory duct. Respiratory bronchiole divided into alveolar duct. Alveolar duct. Next one, alveolar duct continue to the due to alveolar sac. So these are the bronchi and bronchioles. First one, these are the trachea. The trachea continue to the bronchi. Trachea divided into bronchi. The bronchi first divided into primary bronchi. The primary bronchi divided into secondary bronchi. The secondary bronchi divided into tertiary bronchi. The tertiary bronchi is further divided into primary bronchiole, secondary bronchiole, tertiary bronchiole. Primary bronchioles, secondary bronchioles, tertiary bronchioles. The tertiary bronchiole divided into terminal bronchioles. The terminal bronchioles divided into respiratory bronchioles. The respiratory bronchioles divided into alveolar duct. The respiratory bronchioles continue to the alveolar duct. That alveolar duct finally presenting on the alveolar sacs. The alveolar sac, the region of the gases of the exchange. So these are the bronchi and bronchioles. First one, the trachea is divided into bronchi. Divided into primary bronchi divided into secondary bronchi divided into tertiary bronchi. The tertiary bronchi is the further divided into primary bronchiole, secondary bronchiole, tertiary bronchiole, terminal bronchioles and respiratory bronchioles. That respiratory bronchioles the presenting on the alveolar ducts. The alveolar ducts is continued to the alveolar sac. So these are the bronchi and bronchioles. Next one, these bronchi and bronchioles are supported by the C-shaped cartilages. The bronchi and bronchioles are supported by the cartilages. These cartilage functioning is the prevention of the collapsing. So these are the bronchi and bronchioles. The next topic continue to the lungs.